Hello guys, this is Pokemon Mystery Dungeon Part 4, I would think. I don't know this one. So, what happened is there's a Krabby, and he said, oh look, a bottle. So this essentially is him. Bottle's been watching up on the beach, and I could get stuff from him. So, let's talk to it. There's a bottle here, huh? Yeah. Let's see, I look asleep. Nope. Nope, I said no. Okay. So, that guy's just apparently going to be trapped in there forever, and yeah. Because I have a mission here. Sorry. I have missions. Oh, look, stairs. Goodbye, shoulder. By the way, it's about like a gummy or something. Yellow gummy. You can know who that's for. Let's see, let's point to it. Nope, no, actually, don't. Tackle. Okay, there we go. Sorry if it's switching a lot. I can't really help it. So, yeah. One berry, actually that might be useful, so let's go pick it up. Come here. Berry. Yeah, got a berry. Seed. Oh, what am I supposed to look for again? How far I am? Others. Mission objectives. B4, I'm on 3. Okay. Okay, well, apparently Solo's on our team now. Yes. Not very funny. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Nope, not far out. In. Ah, come on. Okay, this might be a little bit of a problem. There we go. Okay. Better? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we're trying to sound all the way through here. There we go. And the stairs here. So let's go into the stairs. The stairs are good. Okay, yellow gummy. Oh, the stairs. Let's go to the stairs. Now we're gonna pick out the gummy. Okay, so I have to follow the top map. Sorry. I don't know. I'm not sure if you can hear the news, but school shooting in America, where I'm at. And I'm like, why? I don't want to go to school anymore. It's usually the reason why I don't want to go to school. Whatever. Go, Pikachu. Go do your Pikachu stuff. Pikachu kill. No. There's a rifle one. Oh, of course it's one. Oh, wait, that's Kabuto. There's some Thunderwave. Yes! Kill it. By the way, Nathan, you're a beast. As you can see, oh look, no, that's seed. Let me go see what you see right now. Last seed, but. Okay, no. Yellow gummy, you completed a mission. No. No. I said no. Yes. And then I'll eat. Wait, what's gummy? Oh, here it is. So this is what I usually do. Okay, yellow gummy, eat. Eat it. Yeah, buddy. You need that. Okay. No, chill. Okay, chill. Oh, see, I hate chill. Yes, I know. It's asking me why aren't I using the L button. That's because it's really weird. Oh, come on. I hate these. I hate these. Also, this is fun. Not really. And my get yours. I'm sorry. Sorry. But I was drunk. And stuff. So, yeah. Shells. Only if, like, Tackle did everything and killed him instantly, I would be so happy. Also, don't tell me the wind's coming here, because I don't care about the friggin' wind. Also, I'm zooming out, so yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, that's not good. Focus. I said focus. I said focus. Yeah, there's nothing at the end. So Zubat and Bat is not here, so I killed the jungle. Yay! Chow 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 chow. By the way, don't eat the plate, Nathan. We kind of need that plate. How much battery life do we have left? There's a chicken, guys. No, don't stop recording. 16. That ain't good. Looking in more and charge. Sorry, it kind of. Oh, Jesus. No. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh well. Oh well. Better just keep it unplugged. Good morning, Emma. Then continue. Always save your adventures. Never forget to do that. Okay, so let's just go. Mom, don't go for miles. Yeah. Okay. Okay, where am I supposed to go again? Do I just do jobs? Let's see. Yep, just do jobs. Jobs. Oh, not very fun. I mean, at least you grind? I guess that's the point of this, to grind. Okay, so, no. Gold gummy, no, red. No. Oh, gee, I can't turn down the sound, I'm sorry, guys. No. Yeah, I'm sorry if you guys can't read it up here. I have to really, be careful. Switching hands. You know what? I think good, so I'm just gonna go take the gold gummy. Gold gummy first. Okay, so gold gummy. No. Gold gummy. Okay, it's Mount Bristle. Okay, I'm not sure if I can handle Mount Bristle. I forgot to take it. Oh no, tablet's all over. I mean, not the tablet, it's the I'm not doing other Mount Bristle missions. I already know what happens. So, sorry. Also, yeah. And tablet's Einstein. Well, I guess it'll be a good spot to end the video. Well, I don't know. Well, I guess I can let you see the menu. Let's see. Return to the top menu. There we go. Well, let's just hit the menu. It changes a lot, so don't worry. So look, continue, Wondermill S, other, episode list. This is not in Pokemon Time and Darkness. So yay. Yay.